Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 10 most hard to pronounce words in English language. आज की वीडियो में हम 10 बेहद मुश्किल अल्फाज बोलना सीखेंगे. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First word is Worcestershire. It is a county in the West Midlands of England. Second word is temperature. It is a measure of the warmth or coldness of an object with reference to some standard value. Third word is synecdoche. It is a literary device in which a part of something is substituted for the whole. For example, the words hard hand would represent a worker. Fourth word is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It is used as an assumed word by children to express approval or to represent the longest word in English. Fifth word is specific. It means something particular or special. Sixth word is sixth. Seventh word is sesquipedalian. It is used to represent long word in English. It is also termed as such a word of English language having many syllables. Eighth word is schadenfreude. It means satisfaction or pleasure felt at someone else's misfortune. Ninth word is rural. It means a land which is agricultural and is not a part of a city. 10th word is phenomenon. It means an observable event. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.